Welcome to this video on a new reputation marketing system that we've prepared for you for use for your clients. Now, the system is very simple. The idea is to filter negative or mediocre reviews to stop people putting bad reviews on the major review sites, and also to reward people for positive reviews and make it super easy for them to post positive reviews onto the major review sites like TripAdvisor, Yelp, Amazon and so forth. So how it works, I'll quickly show you. Let's have a look at what it looks like. You can see here a screen image. What we've got is a landing page where you can put a logo or image at the top. You put in some text, and then you can put in icons. So these are all customizable. The backgrounds are customizable as well. So everything can be completely set to a client's branding. In addition to the landing page, you've then got a filter that takes people from one page to another. So for example, if they put a negative review or a mediocre review, they are going to get sent to a feedback form. It's going to ask them for details of their experience and reassuring them that the manager or whoever will be in touch with them. If they click the positive review here, they're actually going to get taken to another page that won't have a feedback form, but instead it will have a link or a button to take them through to post their review on whatever site you want, such as TripAdvisor, Yelp and any other review site. So if I take you to one of these pages, let's have a look here. So I'll minimize it so we can see what it would look like. So here you can see I've got a different color background. I've got the same icons, but you can change these icons. It's got a logo. Again, everything is customizable, including the text. So if someone has a bad review or a mediocre one, they're going to go through to another page where you set your message, and there's a feedback form for them to give you comments, and it's reassuring them that the matter will be dealt with by the customer relations manager. And let's have a look what will happen then if they do a good review. We'll take them to a thank you page, again customize all the text and so forth, and the button here will take them through to whichever review site that you want to get more reviews for. So one of the reasons why many businesses have low numbers of positive reviews is that it's not always easy for customers to find their review page, and this makes it really easy for a customer to post a positive review. So that's the system, and of course you can put in coupons and so forth to encourage people to submit their feedback. And how does it all work? Well, what we've got here is a very straightforward bit of software that is cloud-based. So it's on the internet. You just log in and you just fill in the blanks here. So you'll put in the business name, you'll put in the business mobile site. Sometimes the mobile site is the same as the main website, but if you've got a separate mobile site, then you put that in there. You put in, you add up your logo, or image that goes in at the top of the page, and then you put in an email to receive feedbacks. You then can customize the message. If they don't put in an email address properly, then it will come up with this alert. Then we've got the email subject line, customer feedback. You can change all of this, of course. Title for the feedback page, we just put feedback, and then we go to the next page. We set the background color, we can set the font color, and then we go next. And now we can put in the field names because it's multilingual, so you could put in field name here, email, message instead of message. We could put your feedback, comments, and then a title for the thank you page. We can change that, and then here we can put in the welcome message that gets put on the landing page. That's the page that they first look at when they're going to submit their review. We can then here select the icons that we're going to use, and coming with this software are a number of icons, but you can use whatever icons you want, so you don't feel that you have to use the ones that come with the software. Here you will put in the direct link to the review page on the client's account, whether it be TripAdvisor or Amazon or whichever review page, Google reviews and so forth. And then you'll put in a message on the response page when it's a bad review. So asking them to fill in the form. And what will happen is most people won't go ahead and post a bad review on a major review site if they've received an apology and their grievance is being looked into. So that's why it's so important to have a feature like this. Coming down, we've got another message for once they've submitted that feedback form. And then finally we've got a message for people that have given a positive review. So here we've got, we're delighted that you're happy. Here's the 20% discount coupon that we promised. In the meantime, it would be awesome if you would take a minute to post your review on our Amazon page. So this works for any business doing any online selling, because it will boost up their reviews on any page, whether it's Amazon, Google pages, TripAdvisor, Yelp, and so forth. You can focus on any, and you can change them as well, of course. So once that's filled in, you just click here, finish. And at this point, you can download the project by clicking this button here, and this will download it to your computer, so that if you want to make any changes in the future, you can just upload. There'll be a slightly different icon here once you come back to it, where you can upload the saved project, and you can just go to whatever section it was and make any changes that you need to make. Now, in order to get this reputation marketing module onto a client's website, there's two ways you can do it. One is you can just click the download button here, and this will download the entire script to your computer, and you just need then to upload it to a directory on your client's site or on your own site. It doesn't matter. And then of course the client, the business that is using this, will need to direct their customers after they've made a purchase or visit to that URL, to the reputation marketing script, so that they can give their feedback. In addition to being able to download, what you could do is click the FTP button, and you can FTP it directly to any web server. You'll need the host port, upload path, username and password. You can get all of that from your hosting company. Okay, now with this module, you can create as many reputation marketing forms for as many businesses as you want. So that's how it works. It's super easy. You'll be able to set it up for anyone, for your own business or for a client, very, very quickly. All the pages are mobile responsive, so they'll work on any device. And this is a feature that we'll be coming back to and upgrading as and when people request new features. But for the time being, the simplicity is what's so powerful here. You can offer a reputation marketing system to any business and set it up to them either as a paid service or a setup fee, or you can offer it as a sweetener for an additional contract that you're doing. Okay, I think that covers everything. If you have any queries at all, please feel free to contact our support desk and we'll be more than happy to help you. And that's it for now. See you again in